Hey guys, Juan here, and today I'm gonna teach you the basics to trickshotting and fly glitching. First thing you wanna learn how to do is how to spin. One spin is equal to 360 degrees, 2 spins is a 720, 3 spins is a 1080, 4 spins is a 1440. All you gotta do is keep practicing. Start with one spin and keep going up until your spins are clean. In trickshotting, distance is very important. You can classify a clip cross-map if it's over 200 studs. In a piece trickshot, you can classify the clip usable if it's over 100 studs. A piece trickshot is when you go for kills before or after going for a trickshot. For example, a 3 piece is when you go for 2 kills then go for a trickshot. A reverse 3 piece is when you go for a trickshot then go for 2 kills. Before I move on, I want to say this. This glitch is not to abuse. This is just to get on barrier. If you abuse it, you will probably get kicked from the game if a moderator sees you. All you gotta do is get a friend or an alt to join the game. As soon as they join, just tell them to lay down next to the thing you wanna fly up to. After they're laying down, just lay down on top of them. And as soon as you start going up, press shift. I would recommend disabling all spawns except friends or alts, because that way your teammates won't ruin your clips. There are way too many spots you can get on by fly glitching. Some examples are Breakout Candy Cane, Breakout Rooftop, Cranes, Mall Barrier, Dunes Barrier, Crane Barrier, and a bunch of other spots. There's just a lot. And that's basically it. That's all you gotta know for basic trickshotting. If you have any questions, just put them down below. We'll be sure to answer them.